The benefits are that you can get the sweet taste without getting the calories. So you can actually still have a nice drink or some other things that contain low calorie sweetness without getting any calories from it. I think that the argument that sweetness will increase appetite is based on a few studies almost 30 years ago that have not been replicated since, and we haven't been able to see anything in the literature pointing in that direction in the past 25 or 30 years. So what we see is actually the opposite, that low-calorie sweetness can help you reduce energy intake, or at least not increase it, and thereby help you maintain body weight. I think low-calorie sweetness has a place in a healthy diet because you can get the sweet taste without getting the calories. And considering the major problem we have with obesity and overweight, I think that's very useful. So it's a healthy choice compared with the sugar-sweetened foods and drinks.